Welcome to our new culinary adventure where we explore the fascinating world of dehydrated Oreos. Have you ever thought about turning your favorite cookies into a delicious crispy treat? In this video, we will test the freeze dryer on Oreos and discover together what it yields. Get ready to be amazed by the results. We will start with a brief introduction on how a freeze dryer works and why it has become a popular tool in modern cuisine. We will then show you each step of the process, from preparing the Oreos to transforming them into a delicious crispy snack. Learn how this revolutionary device removes moisture without heating the food, thus preserving their taste and nutrients. Find out how to prepare your Oreos for the dehydration process. Do they need to be cut or dipped in chocolate? We will provide you with practical tips. Watch live the dehydration process of Oreos and learn how long it takes. We will also share tips to achieve the best possible result. After dehydration, we will taste the crispy Oreos together. You will be amazed by their texture and flavor. We will also compare them with classic Oreos to see the difference. Learn how to use a freeze dryer for your own culinary experiments.